How to fix connecting to the Counter-Strike network. So let's get started. If you are facing connection errors, they might not be as severe as they seem. So firstly, all you have to do is restart your CS2 and Steam. A temporary glitch in the CS2 game client or Steam platform could be the culprit. Restarting both the game and Steam can refresh your connection and fix this error. Now, the other fix is verifying game files integrity. Corrupted games file can also cause connectivity issues in CS2. Steam's Verify Integrity of Games file features checks and repairs any corrupted files, ensuring your game is running correctly. Restart your computer and launch Steam. Then navigate to your Steam library and locate CS2. Then right-click on CS2 or click the gear icon and select Properties. Then under Local Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. The process might take some time and certain files may fail verification, but these are usually local configuration files that don't require replacement. Now, the other method is optimizing network setting. When it comes to online gaming, a well-optimized network can be your best friend, especially when playing an online game. Changing your DNS settings to Google's DNS, primary 8.8.8 or secondary 8.8.4.4 can resolve domain name issues and speed up your connection to game servers. If DNS changes don't help, reset your network settings to default to eliminate potential conflicts. Now, lastly, configuring firewall and antivirus. Sometimes your own firewall and antivirus software might be blocking CS2's access to the network, but remember, while this fixes connectivity issues, it is crucial to re-enable the security software after testing to maintain system protection. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.